Okay, so what's up everyone? This is John once again and welcome sa ating channel. And today's video, pupunta tayo sa Farm Plate. It is an overlooking place dito sa Daraga to meet up our workmates. Actually nakapunta na kami doon last time as a family, and this is gonna be our second time na makakapunta tayo doon. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Alright, so andito na tayo. We are now on the road going to Farm Plate. We're just gonna have a quick stop right here sa Mercury Drug to get some medicine kasi medyo masakit yung ulo ni Mrs. Okay, so we are traversing Akendi Drive. According to Google, this is Akendi Drive. Papunta to doon sa, pag tinubok mo to, diretso to sa Legazpi City Hall and park nila dito. So okay, so ito na yung daan papunta doon sa Farm Plate. Diretso pataas pababa ang daan dito. Kumbaga medyo may mga overlooking place din na makikita around here. And the sun is setting now, so ewan ko, magmadali tayo papunta doon kasi andun na yung mga kasama natin. Nahabulan lang natin sila. Let's go. Okay, so we have arrived. And andito rin si Pugs. 5 lang tabi dyan. Okay, so andito na kami ngayon sa Farm Plate and merong entrance fee dito na 60 pesos for kids and 85 for adults. Okay, so kailangan magpatatak bago pumasok, and then ang ganda ng password ng wifi dito. Ayun. Diba? Bicol na Bicol. Okay, so ayun, tapos na kami sa Farm Plate. Hindi na lang natin lagyan ng recording kasi hindi ko na lagay agad yung action camera sa ating helmet. But now, tapos na tayo sa Farm Plate, and I guess hanggang dito na lang yung ating video for today. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And again, I'm Joel. If you're interested in motorcycle related contents, travel and gadgets, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.